Hey everyone, welcome back to Stocky Talky. Again, guys, another bloodbath. But I do have some good news. Out of this red, some magic came. And I'm sticking to my guns here, guys. I'm buying the dips. I'm trying to make some fat stacks. Before I dive in, I'm already kind of diving in because you can see what I did today. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And so first, you can see right here, look, what did I do? I said if it dips yesterday, I'm going to pull the trigger and buy some stock. So what did I do? Today, I bought 3 shares of Tesla at $867.70 per share. I bought 33 more shares of TECL, triple leverage tech index. If you don't know what TECL is, it's kind of like TQQQ, but I did the math and it actually has better returns in the long run. So, well, historically. So, yeah, the average price on that was $60.03. So you can see my moves on the board here. But yeah, so the other good news, I guess I have 2 pieces of good news, guys. Look what we did today. We filled this dreaded gap down here at around the like 850 to 870 mark, right? We got down all the way to 851. The day's moving out, yeah, 850.70. And actually, my shares, there's a $10 fee when I buy them. So $867. If you minus $10 away from the average, what did I probably got them for like $864. So that's probably where I ended up actually getting them. But you can see that 20-day MA rejected us here, and then it kind of carried over. But it wasn't the 20-day MA on the Tesla chart, right? Like the whole market is red again. You can see the 20-day MA here. We had a false breakout of it like we did back here, and we broke down below the 20-day MA. So the market was bright red. And look at this, down 9.2% on that TECL stock. But let's go back to Tesla, why everyone's here. Yeah, you can see this golden pocket area is just wreaking havoc, right? So let me just open up this volume tool, fixed range volume. I'll do it from here to here. Let's see. Yeah, look at the amount of volume coming in here at the golden pocket zone here, right? So hopefully once we break above this golden pocket and this 20-day MA, that's when we get the big push to that 980, 1,050 range. But yeah, guys, the market, I've been saying this, it pulls back. Like, look at the run we had from back here. We almost had, what did we have? Let me just measure that quick. So yeah, from the bottom of that low to here, it's a 20% rip up. So now we've kind of given back half that. So about 10% of that 20% rip up. Now, in my opinion, these moves are bullish, right? But not only we fill the gap, but we get a huge run down like this. And look at, we found support at this old trend line here that I had drawn out. It goes all the way back, right, to here, which, again, I keep referring to this. It's like history repeating itself. We have the huge run up. We drop down, set a floor. Then we retest going to a high. We don't get there, and we drop back down here, right? Back to the golden pocket, golden pocket, golden pocket. And then we start that trajectory on the long crawl up, right? And right now, we're having that kind of like same history repeat itself. And we also have a lot more market weakness right now. So in my opinion, this is bullish, and the NASDAQ and everything will recover. You'll recover plus more. So that's why I'm not hesitating to pull the trigger and buy these things, right? If we come over to the MMRI, it's actually down today. It was at like 120 at one point. I don't know if it was today or yesterday, but it was at like 120. So I was like, oh boy, here we go. But same with the MMRI. So it's at 143. It was at 150 at one point. So that's good. It means risk is dropping in the market. And I also think the 10-year had a down day today. So that's good. But do I think there's going to be a market crash? No. And that's why I'm confident buying these dips. Like, these trend lines are huge for us. Any trend line that lasts over 2 years, I have a lot of faith in. And because we filled that gap, I actually feel a lot better now, because I was dreading that. I was like, oh gosh, seeing that, I was like, I don't want that to get filled, but it could possibly get filled. So now that it has been, I do see us getting back to this golden pocket, and that I really want to see us break through the 20-day MA. You can see the RSI is at about 36, so we're almost going back to that oversold position we had here, which is when we did get that big rip up. In my opinion, next week, hopefully the market turns around and we do start to see that upward trajectory that I'm kind of looking for starting like mid-February. But you can see, I drew this out a while ago. The top of this last rally that was back in January into February in 2021, you can see the top of that is a major area of support, right? Although we have like little breakdowns below, we never really have a massive rundown. Like we don't drop down to like 350, 400. It's just not going to happen. It's too big of a company now. And there's a lot of FUD out there that's trying to stir the pot, and it's just not going to happen. I mean, the only issue that I see right now is, of course, like the political situation going on where they're kind of favoring Ford and these legacy automakers. So hopefully, like that, I like that. I don't even want to talk about it because it's so stupid. Like everyone sees what's happening. So, in my opinion, I'm glad I purchased the shares. Let me actually just open up my positions here. I gotta. Oh, this is gonna take a while. All right, that took a while. Sorry, I had to do some math there, but you can see it got 9 shares of Tesla now. Added some more to my TECL position. So TECL is actually the only one I'm up now on, and I'm at a $50 or $55 profit for the year. And honestly, I'll take it considering how red the market's been this year. So, and we're in the middle of a dip. So hopefully next week I have some better, more impressive numbers to show. But hey, that's what happens when you buy dips, right? Especially at the start of a year with a brand new portfolio. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And guys, let's make some fat stacks out there. Subscribe.